Hey everyone, welcome back to GlamQuiz. Are you ready to play a new Guess the Voice Challenge Brawl Stars edition? If you're ready to roll, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Now let's jump right into the action. First round. Do you know this Brawl Stars character?
Let's go! Player one, get ready.
8-bit is the correct answer.
Let's go! Player one, get ready.
Next round. Ever heard of this one?
I'm ready to serve. Another round. I'm ready to serve.
It's Barley.
I'm ready to serve. Another round. I'm ready to...
Number 3. Any idea?
Just will fix it. Technology wins.
The answer is Jessie.
Just will fix it. Technology wins.
Would you rather choose 8-bit
Let's go! Player one, get ready.
or Barley?
I'm ready to serve. Another round. I'm ready.
Hit like if you chose 8-bit or comment if Barley. Listen carefully.
Time to move to the boombox groove. Move those feet to the boombox beat.
Yep, it's Brock.
Time to move to the boombox groove. Move those feet to the boombox beat.
Can you recognize this voice? Fantastic work. It's Nita. Round 7. Do you know who's talking?
Don't mess with the ball. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with the...
Bull is the correct answer.
Don't mess with the ball. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with the...
Would you rather choose Brock
Time to move to the boombox groove. Move those feet to the boombox beat.
or Nita? Hit like if you chose Brock or subscribe if Nita. Next round, guess this Brawl Stars character. Tick is the right answer. Number 10, any idea?
I do not come in peace. Ready for battle. I do not.
Amazing. It's Rico.
I do not come in peace. Ready for battle.
Guess this voice.
Time for trouble. Check out my headshot. Time.
The answer is Colt.
Time for trouble! Check out my headshot!
Would you rather choose Tick or Rico?
I do not come in peace. Ready for battle.
Hit like if you chose Tick or comment if Rico. Listen carefully.
100% certified pirate. YOLO ho and a bottle of barnacles.
Daryl is the answer.
100% certified pirate. YOLO ho and a bottle of barnacles.
Do you recognize this sound?
Rosa is my name, Botany is my game. Ah, fungus.
Nice! It's Rosa.
Rosa is my name, Botany is my game. Ah, fungus.
Number 15. Any idea?
Who wants some TNT? I've got a sharp fuse!
Awesome, it's Dynamike.
Who wants some TNT? I've got a sharp fuse!
Would you rather choose Daryl
100% certified pirate. YOLO ho and a bottle of barnacles.
or Rosa?
Rosa is my name, Botany is my game. Ah, fungus.
Hit like if you chose Daryl or subscribe if Rosa. Can you recognize this voice?
El Primo! Showtime! El Primo!
Awesome! It's the EL Primo.
El Primo! Showtime! El Primo!
Next round.
Let's get this party started! Feel the power of music!
Great job, it's Poco.
Let's get this party started! Feel the power of music!
Would you rather choose El Primo
El Primo! Showtime! El Primo!
or Poco?
Let's get this party started! Feel the power of music!
Hit like if you chose El Primo or comment if Poco. You're in for a treat with these next two games, trust me. If you're loving the content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.